Are you suffering from back pain and starting to lose the natural curve and mobility in your spine? Then I've got the exercises for you. Today I'm going to teach you 5 simple and effective physio exercises to correct a flat back posture or loss of lumbar lordosis. Hi, I'm Physio Janae. I'm your movement and wellness specialist for the over 40s and beyond. Welcome to my channel. Our lower back has a natural inward curve called the lumbar lordosis. This curvature acts as a shock absorber to help us move with ease and help us maintain a good posture. However, bad posture habits, unbalanced muscle training, tight joints, and wear and tear changes can flatten this curve, leading to pain, discomfort, and even long-term mobility issues. By definition, a flat back posture is less than 30-degree curvature of your lower back or your lumbar area, which is roughly this part of your lower back. In the clinic, we can measure that angle. However, at home, you can do this simple test. So standing up against the wall, you should be able to wedge in the fattest part of your thumb or your finger between the lower back and the wall. If you could just wedge in your fingertips or less, then that could be indicative that you have a flat back posture. What happens with the flat back posture is you develop tight hip muscles front and back and weakening of your back extensors and back core muscles. So I'm going to teach you 5 simple exercises to correct those deficits. Follow along. And now let's get ready for the exercises. This is a back extension exercise. Sitting on a chair, sit up nice and tall, lift your arms up towards the ceiling, and imagine as if you're being pulled upwards. Now, from your lower back, bend backwards and imagine you're trying to reach for the back wall. Hold it here for a few seconds and do a few repetitions. This can also be done in standing position. However, in seated position, you can really localize the movement from the lower back joint. Now this is the Sphinx onto the Cobra pose. Lying face down, hands under your shoulder, draw your belly in, and begin to lift your chest off the floor and hold it a few seconds and down. Do a few repetitions and only go to the range that is available for you at this point in time. And only if comfortable, then push high up onto the cobra pose and hold it for a few seconds. This is prone extension. Lying face down on the floor, spread your arms wide on the side, tuck your chin in, draw your belly in, and lift your chest and your legs off the floor. Try to keep your knees straight and really feel the contraction happening all the way on your back muscles. Hold it here a few seconds and down. And repeat it a good few times, 5 to 10 repetitions if you can, and build up as you get stronger. This one is for your hamstring muscles. Sitting in a chair, sit up nice and tall, arms across your chest, extend one leg in front of you, keeping your knee straight and your foot flexed towards your head. Now keeping your chest out, tip over forward from the hip joint and feel the stretch all the way on the back muscles of the leg. Hold it here for a few seconds and repeat on the other side. And now let's stretch the quads. Hold on to a wall if needed, standing up nice and tall, grab your ankle, and make sure that your knee is under your hip. Now squeeze your buttocks and push your hip forward and feel the stretch on your thigh muscles. Hold it here for a few seconds and repeat on the other side. Hope you found those exercises helpful. If you have a desk-based job and if you work in front of the computer for a long period of time, then highly likely you might have some postural issues. So give those exercises a go and let me know how you get on. If you have any questions or any topics that you might want me to cover, please also write on the comments. And if you haven't,
please click subscribe and like, and it will just help me produce more quality videos for you guys. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye for now.